What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamarji. Today we are working with Nadula hair. We are working with their 7x5 pre-everything 12-inch Yaki straight unit. Now this wig is really natural. Like, it really gives natural hair. It has a drawstring in the back and also the elastic band for extra security. Do not mind my little braids. You know, we had to get some braids in there so everything can be completely flat. Now I'm just going ahead and putting some makeup on my wig cap. I'm not doing the ball cap method because this unit is completely glueless and we're not using any glue whatsoever. We're not using any sprays. We're not using anything like that. We are just throwing it on. And as you guys seen by the thumbnail, I did do 2 hairstyles with this, so the hairstyles are literally endless. And as you guys can see, with me putting it on, it's automatically blending into my skin. So typically what I do first with units, that everything is pretty much done for you because it's already cut, it's already bleached, it's already plucked. So the only thing that you pretty much have to do is just make it how you would want it, kind of style it a little bit, straighten it a little bit, and, you know, get your part how you want it directly and make sure everything is looking flat. So that's when I go in with my wax stick and I go in with my hot comb and I just make sure that everything is very flat. And I am happy that this is completely glueless because I do have the luxury of switching it to a side part if I didn't want the middle part, like you guys are going to see. But I went ahead and did these curls first, which you guys are going to see, and then you guys are going to see me kind of like, you know, try to figure out how I want the style and eventually switch it to a side part. But yeah, as you guys can see, this little side part style came out so cute. And let's not forget, this unit is 100% glueless. There is no glue involved. There is nothing, no glue involved whatsoever, and everything is blending effortlessly. Nadula hair definitely did their thing with this, and like both styles definitely gave. The curls are popping, and when I curled the hair, it doesn't give like Yaki, like it doesn't give Yaki still. When the curler touched the hair, it definitely is giving silk. Like that's why I said it looks so natural and it's so cute. So all the information, like I said before, will be in the description box down below. And yeah, y'all go shop, go get y'all a natural wig, and tell everybody it's your hair. Do not listen to me, just wear the hair. You don't gotta tell nobody it's your hair, just wear the hair. But yeah, y'all go shop, and I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Yeah, babies, we out.